All right, so I just did a really hard harvest of the baby greens, the baby lettuces, because we're almost into June and that's coming out, and I'm putting basil and a few other things in its place. So it is going to be bolting soon. So I'll dig that out, give that to the chickens, and I'll be back. So the summer green stalk is all planted out. I have an assortment of many kinds of basil. I like a nice basil tea in the summertime, and plus cooking with it. I have a few Thai peppers, so those are hot peppers. I have an eggplant. I forget what that one's called. She's a little sleepy here, but she'll be fine. She is little finger eggplant. You see on the bottom I have micro tomatoes, and on the top I have thyme and rosemary, and that blooming thing is called salad burnet, which I thought was cool, but I really don't like it. But for now, it's good. I'll probably yank it out eventually and stick something there. So there we go. The summer green stalk is ready to rock and roll. We're going to get rain pretty soon. I'm glad I got this done before that. And as always, my Cape Cod life.